how to enable lobby for everyone in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the detailed steps on how you can enable the lobby of your Microsoft Teams application, and doesn't matter whether the person is external or an internal connection, they will be going through the lobby if you will enable this. So this makes sure that your Teams meeting is free from any intruders, and let me show you how you can enable this. So enabling this lobby feature is quite very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that you got to do is simply click onto this more option that is present right here, that also goes by the name more actions. So simply click onto this more button, and then from here click onto this settings option at the very last of this menu. Now you will need to hover your cursor over to the settings, and you will see two further options, that is meeting options and accessibility. So you will need to click on this first option, that is meeting options. Once you will click on to meeting options, you can see this first option that says who can bypass the lobby. So as you can read here, based on your meeting policy, people joining without an account, people from untrusted orgs, and people dialing in may wait in the lobby until someone from your or a trusted org joins, despite selecting the everyone option. So instead of everyone, we will be choosing it to only me, and this ensures that each and everyone, whether from your trusted organization or not, is first admitted into the lobby, and only then they can be entered into the meeting. Now once this is done, click onto this save button, and once that is done, you are all set and good to go. And now your lobby has been successfully enforced in your Teams meeting. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.